Hi, my name is Brian and I'm from Epic Armoury. So, congratulations on buying your very first double wedge tent. I have been given the quest to put up this tent and show you the steps. This guide can be used for any of our tents that does not have a side pole. So let's get to it. You start by laying your tent out on the ground and find the corners. It's a little hard to find corners on a cornerless tent, but these double panels show you the way. So you have to find all four of these and put it out. Now, hammer in a peg and make sure that there's 4 meters to the next peg. 4 meters because this is a 4x6 tent. If you have a 2x4 tent, then 2 meters, and so on. For this tent, we have 3 types of poles. We have the front pole, which is a 2-piece, long piece design, and then we have the center pole, which is 3 shorter poles. We also have the ridge pole, which has this hole in it for the center pole. Now we're going to take our center pole, put it through our ridge pole and through the hole in the tent from the inside. But this assignment I cannot do alone, so I'll be needing another party member. So, pegs and pins. Until now we have been using pegs. Pegs we are using for guy ropes and for the corners of the tent. But the smaller version, the pins, we're going to use now to put out the rest of the canvas of the tent in the position we want, straight and neat. When you put your pins in the ground, make sure that the canvas up straight is straight and the piece from the one peg to another is also straight. Like this. So now we have the tent up. We have the center pole up with the ridge pole. We have all the pins and pegs in the ground. We have the guy ropes up. And the only thing we are needing now is the entrance. And for that we need the front poles that we talked about before, and some guy rope and a peg. And as easy as just putting it through the hoop, putting it out, hammering it to the ground, and you soon have an entrance for your tent. So now the double wedge tent is ready for use. You can open up the entrance with these straps, tying it up, or you can close it together with this system, allowing you some privacy. This is a red tent after all.
Ryan?
Excuse me.